got another package. I know. I'm getting too many packages lately. This is from Hay Needle. Actually, I ordered it through Walmart, and they got it through Hay Needle. And it is my new TV stand for when I finish the Twinkie. Let's open it. Actually, I'm opening it now because I don't really plan on assembling it yet, but maybe I will. But I'm opening it now because it has glass in it, and I want to make sure that the glass is still okay. This is what the cabinet looks like. It is white. It has a section right here for my DVD player and my dish box. Of course, the TV will go on top, and then it has glass panels, so I can turn it into like a curio cabinet. Okay, I got down to the doors. The doors are okay. Aren't they pretty? I like that. And here's the feet. And I guess the doorknobs are in this bag. All the hardware is tagged and bagged. Well, I was going to go home. Shoot, it is raining again. It will not stop raining. Oh, this is getting very annoying. And look what I brought to work today. Yeah. So I have to wait till it stops raining because I don't want to get all soaked. It's cold. So I guess I will work on assembling the cabinet. In fact, I even had to turn the heater back on. It's getting cold in the office. Okay, I had this cloth in the closet, fortunately, so I have laid out all my pieces. And unfortunately, I do not have a tripod for my phone, and I don't have any of my cameras down here, so find something to prop the camera up against, I guess. I'll figure this out. Ay. Hi. This is silly. Okie dokie. These pieces out.
Little white things to probably hide off screw areas. The knobs, oh, those are cute. They're a little acrylic looking. Actually, they look like glass, but I think they're acrylic. And the little bolty things. More screws. And more little things. Okay, that's empty now. Glue's giving me anxiety. Okie dokie, so let's make sure, all the parts are here. Okay, so A. Okay, so I got two of these things. 1, 2. Got this, which is A. That's C. Okay, two of those. A. We got 3 of these little flatboard things. And 1, 2, 3 bottom pieces. The doors and the feet, which are still in the package. I'm not going to put the feet on yet. Alrighty. Come on. Gotta run out battery or disk space on the phone before I even make it very far. Okay, so these are my wooden dowels. These are pins. These are my cam
favor. Don't tell anybody what an idiot I am. Yeah. See, I was having trouble trying to screw these down with my hand, right? Right? Shh, don't tell anybody. Works like a charm. Shh. Please don't tell on me. I think I'll go, for $56, they'll assemble this for you at Walmart. I think I'll go get a job at Walmart as an assembler. Why not? I'm doing such a fantastic job now. Okay, let's see if I can put this on correctly. Okay, this goes this way. Also, I figured out why. Also, I figured out why you need a second person. So that they can tell the first person they're being an idiot. Yes. Okay, my cabinet is finished. Wow. Would have been done sooner, but it took me all day because of interruptions and stuff. I should have gone home at 2 like I was supposed to. So there you go. Awesome. So that's going to be great. My TV stand. TV goes on top. DVD player, dish box, and all that crap goes in the middle. And then a little curio cabinet on the bottom, magnetized, and crystal looking handles. So that's going to be nice. Okay, catch y'all later. Thanks for watching, and one day you will get to see this in the silver streak with the TV on top of it. Hopefully sooner than later. Thanks for watching. Live the life you love. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.